What's up, y'all? This is Lord Snowman coming at you with a tutorial that I just came up with. Well, do y'all remember when you can add user icons in like the comments, your bio on DeviantArt before the DeviantArt Eclipse? Well, the legacy way to do that is colon, icon, whatever username, and then colon. But the thing is, after DeviantArt Eclipse has been made, you can no longer do that. So even if you try and do that, no dice, it'll not work. However, there is a way you can do it. But there is another way. What you need to do is click on the edit in your about section. And after you click edit, you go to bio. And you scroll down to wherever, I already done it myself. Scroll down to wherever you want to add it. And click there until it blinks. What you need to do is click on Add Emote, and then you go to the Avatars tab, and find whichever username you want. Some of them where you don't watch them. If you don't watch them, you can always search them up. Or if they don't have a profile pic, or if you don't know what their profile pic looks like now, then you can search them up. If you do know what their profile picture looks like, then click on it. For example, I'm doing TFFan03, which is my co-writer, also known as ByBilly. Click on that to add it. And voila! And then click Save. You see that? Now you have icons again. And if you click on it, it'll still work. So that's how you do it after Eclipse. Thank y'all for watching. Hope it helps. Questions? Then please comment below. Peace out, comrades.